Hello and welcome back to Ganesh Institute channel. So in today's video we are going to discuss about Cauchy's root test to check whether a particular series is convergent or not. So if you see, a question is written over here that you need to test the convergent for this. Now you might be wondering that which test will suit this. Of course, if you are given with some some general term and its power is something which is in the form of n square or n or something, right? So in that way you need to apply, for that particular case you need to apply Cauchy's root test. So what does this root test explain? So whenever you are having this form, just like you have general term here is n plus 1 by n raised to power n square by 3 raised to power n, right? This is your general term which is already given. Sometimes you can be given with a series and you need to make general term, which we have already seen in some of the examples in earlier videos. So when you have your general term and it is having the power of n or n square or n cube or something, then you need to find out in terms of Cauchy's root test, you need to find out limit n tends to infinity un raised to power 1 by n. Okay, for Cauchy's root test you need to find out this value. If this is less than 1, then the series is convergent. If it is greater than 1, then series is divergent. And if it is equal to 1, then you cannot apply or carry on with this test because test fails. And then you can go in to apply for some other thing, which can be Cauchy's integral test if the series is monotonous decreasing, or you can apply comparison test, but not this. So let's begin with this example. You have this un. Now what we need to find out? Un raised to power 1 by n, right? So un raised to power 1 by n limit n tends to infinity would be, limit n tends to infinity, your un is what? N plus 1 by n raised to power n square and then by 3n, 3 raised to power n. This is your un, then raised to power 1 by n. Okay, this we have got. Now n will be cancelled with n for this. If you see, if you distribute the whole power, this will be having n plus 1 by n raised to power n square raised to power 1 by n for this term. And in denominator 3 raised to power n raised to power 1 by n, right? So n will be cancelled with n. Here n square will be cancelled with n. Then we are having n plus 1 by n raised to power n divided by 3, right? Now if you see, if we distribute this, n by n will be 1 by n raised to power n by 3. And some of the limits you need to learn, just like sin n by n, n tends to infinity is 0. So there are so many limits. Similarly, if you have 1 plus 1 by n raised to power n, this at limit tends to infinity is e. E means exponential, which the value of e is 2.718 something. So it will keep going. So 2.718. So this is now limit n tends to infinity. This is e by 3, which is 2.718 by 3, right? Which is something 0.906, right? Which is less than 1. 3 9 is 27, 0, 3 6 are 18, less than 1, right? So that means because it is less than 1, now keep going on the concept, again back to concept. What is it saying? If it is less than 1 is the convergent. So series un is convergent, right? Or you can say this is general term and summation of this is convergent. Now may I ask you, let's say if this would be greater than 1, something 1 point something, then it would be divergent. And if it would be having value as 1, then what it would be? the test for Cauchy's root will not satisfy the particular situation, and then you have to go with some other test. Just like in comparison test, you have general term, you will find out, you would be having something which is Vn, and then you need to find out Vn by Un, its limit n tends to infinity, and then check whether this is positive or negative. If it is positive, then it is convergent, greater than 1, and if Vn is convergent, Un would be convergent. This we have already discussed in our last videos. And similarly, if you would be applying some Cauchy's integral test, you need to make Un in the form of function and then apply integral 1 to infinity. And if it would be so, these are the things which you can apply. I am hoping that you have got it, and if so, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Take care till my next video. Bye bye.